Hey guys, Haro Vlog here, and this is my 2012 bike check. I'm going to start up here. These are ODI LongNeck Grips, stretched out, Kink latest bar ends, black Shadow Vultus bars, 8 and 28 width and 8 rise. Got the penguin on the front there. Got the premium sub 10 stem, Shadow Vultus top bolt, and then we got the Kink integrated headset right there, and then we got the Kink Vultus Forks, fit Faf tire in the front and the tan wall 2.25 with a Odyssey Hazard white rim, just regular white spokes, and the Odyssey Vandero 2 front hub. Then we got the Lite hub guard in the front, and the Shadow little one peg in the front. Frame is a Haro SD Downtown frame in 20.5. I noticed it used to be silver, but I rolled it out. I got the Shadow seat. It used to be purple and black, but I took all the purple off, and now it's just black. And I painted this little piece white because it goes better with the bike. But I also got the animal seat post there in purple, and then integrated seat clamp right there, and just some Monster and a Red Bull sticker there. Then I got the Lite Sprocket 25 tooth and roll, I guess you can call it, and the Shadow half-length V2 in roll or silver, whatever you want to call it. And then I got the fit cranks. That's actually what they're just called. They're just called fit cranks. They used to be white. I rolled them out as well. And now I also got the Duo Resilite pedals. Still running them. They're not that great, but I got them for free, so I said I might as well ride them. But anyway, on the back, I have a Arron signature tire in 20.210 and tan wall, of course. The rim is a Cinema 777 rim, laced with Primo spokes, and the hub is a Profile SS Mini in white, 9 tooth, hollow bolt right there, gun drilled hollow. And then I also got the new Profile Aegis, I think that's how you pronounce it anyway, hub guard, and I just got a stock Haro peg in the back. So yeah, and then the bottom bracket is a Shadow. If I can get the logo for you can see that Shadow bottom bracket, 19 mid. And yeah, that's basically my bike right there. Comment what you think. New edit being made for the winter. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and keep an eye out. Peace.